Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today to announce or to draw for the winner of my hidden giveaway. If you watched my Sunday upload from the 5th, you will know that I have a hidden giveaway, and it was to win a set of these 3 cards. They're different colors, but you get a set of 3. And so here I am. I did put the URL into the random picker. I did filter for duplicate users, and I did filter for the word. You needed to put the word flower in your comment. So just want to say good luck. I want to thank you guys all for being a subbie to my channel, and I appreciate you. And here we go. Good luck. Get YouTube comments. So it says amount of unique commenters were 8. And then start. And the winner is Crafting with Gabby. Congratulations. Hi, they turned out so pretty. Definitely Mother's Day. Thanks for sharing. Flowers. Oh, congratulations, Gabby. I'm not sure if I have your mailing address. If I do, I'm going to send these right out. But if you wouldn't mind commenting that you have seen that you have been the winner, I would appreciate it. Thank you so much for being a subbie. And everybody else, until the next video, shakas.